Good morning, traders. Welcome back. Market Analytics. You're looking at the New Zealand versus the Japanese yen. I thought it was a good time to come back, follow up on this one, recently established bullish position that we have here, and also share some of my insights with regards to the technical situation. Quite interesting right now. We see two possible scenarios. The first one, which is more of a wishful thinking, more the optimistic scenario, comes from the fact that price just a couple of days ago, 3 days ago, had made it above the 75.40. Take a look, this mid-high key level of that blue system. Now that is not a strong technical element. That is a local resistance, a local key level. But the fact that price had just kind of broke that key level 3 days ago, a little bit spiked it from above as it did, and then of course the following day, this was pretty impressive, I have to say. I think it was an important event. Kind of show us that price does acknowledge that 75.40 seriously, it's taking it seriously, and it may actually hold. And we also saw that spike here was touching base on the 200 daily moving average, so you can add another technical element. So I think that was significant, right? But let me show you the other side here. The other side suggests that this is a risky area to begin with, because we may be sliding into a trading range, a lowercase trading range. Right now we only have two legs in place, but the second leg took the tip of the first leg, right? Took the previous high and beginning to slightly turn around. This may actually be, this may actually concern my current position, because price may slide into trading range here, a sideways movement, and keep keep moving in that fashion, right? Now, if that's going to happen, I'm going to be extra cautious at this point, right? So I'm going to be watching. And if price is going to be able to break back below 75.40, I'm either going to split altogether or significantly decrease my position with the intention to pick it up again right here in the lower section, because that's probably going to be the implication, right? We're probably going to have that up and down movement within this blue system. Right now we only have two legs. So we'll see, and we have pretty strong indication that price may actually continue on the upside. I will only increase this position once price can prove that it's able to break above the next obstacle, which is the top resistance here, 76.39. Later on, we should be heading north. You remember the big picture. Price had just came from the very bottom of this huge setup, right? This huge setup representing a very wide trading range that you can track back all the way to the middle of 2015. But right now, taking into consideration the current situation right now, we're coming from below, and price had made it above 74.60. Let me zoom in a little bit so you can see more clearly. This is what I find to be the most important part. Price, after spiking here on the bottom, made it all the way and closed right here above 74.60. But even more important is what's going on this month with this spike. That just think about it. At the beginning of the month, price actually started on the downside, kind of challenging that 74.60. But you can see how this is turning out to be, right? So I think this is very important and a strong bullish indication. Anyway, that's the situation right now. Stop loss remains intact at 73. I will only begin to adjust the stop loss level once we break above our next obstacle here. So there you go. Still bullish on the New Zealand versus the Japanese yen, but taking extra cautious at this point. We'll see you on the next video.